I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today because today I am going to be working in my garage. I have so much to clean out and declutter and organize, and I have some new cabinets to put up in my garage. My husband Alan and I are going to get these cabinets put together. We've ordered these from the Home Depot and they have been delivered, and we're really hoping they're going to change the organization and the systems that we have in our garage so that we'll be able to find everything we're looking for without seeing any clutter. So let me get started on this, but before we do, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm so happy you're here today. My husband Alan and I are so thrilled with our new cabinets. It was so nice to get these put together and get all of our things in them, clear out the excess clutter. We were so happy to give the other shelves we had away to our friend so that she can use those in her garage and get organized as well. We even have extra space in our new cabinets. The garage looks so much better and much less cluttered. So I would really be happy if you subscribe and click the like button and come back for more videos like this. We have many more projects coming up in the future.